3 ways to activate his deepest desire. You're probably wondering what his deepest desires are. His deepest desire is to feel like he's enough and that he makes you happy. So we're going to go over the 3 ways to accomplish this right now. All right, number 1 is choosing to need a man. Probably 100% of the women watching this video don't need him. So the key word here is choosing to need a man. So what this looks like is allowing him to help you, because his purpose is to make you happy. So what this looks like is, hey, can you help me with the groceries? Hey, can you help me with my jacket? Hey, can you get the air conditioning down a degree? Hey, can you scrub the toilet? Hey, I can't fix this thing. Do you know how to fix it? Hey, can you do this? Just, hey, would you help this? That gives him some purpose.
As you wish.
Oh, my sweet Wesley.
All right, number 2 is choose to accept what he provides. So now you've asked him to do something. I'll never forget this story because of how it made me feel. So my girlfriend at the time asked me to Windex the mirror in the bathroom because it got dirty. Now, over the years, I've had maids, and I'm going to be honest, I'm not an expert cleaner. So I'm like, I'm on it. You need me? I'm going to be the big, strong man. Let's do this. So I grabbed the Windex, grabbed some paper towels. I'm like, she needs me. It's my time to shine. I'm going to shine this mirror. So I'm going, wiping the mirror down, and I'm all proud of myself. I'm done. And I'm like, yeah, I'm going to get a compliment. I can feel it. So I call in my girlfriend. I'm like, check it out, babe. I did that. And what she does, and she was right, 100% right. She goes, like, Mike, what are you doing? Like, you wiped it wrong. Now there's all this, like, paper towel, white fuzzy stuff on the mirror. And in that moment, I just felt the energy coming out of me. And I went from like big, strong man, like I just did this amazing favor, to like that shamed little boy who like never could do things right and was always scolded like in middle school days. So I bring up this point for 2 reasons. One, I want to be crystal clear. She knew the better way to clean the mirror, and she was right. I could have done better. And I want you to know that you can correct a man when you've got a better method, which in this case she did. But you have to be strategic about it if you want him to feel like the big, strong man. So assuming that you want him to feel like the big, strong man, you need to accept what he provides. When you ask him to do something, don't critique how he does it. And a lot of you can probably think about when you tell a man like you'd like him to drive, and then you're nagging about how he drives. In the moment is not the best time to critique. But if you talk to him outside of the moment or beforehand, you can get a great result. So maybe the next time, for example, the mirror, you say, hey, here's the strategy to not, I need you to do the mirror. It'd be amazing if you do it. And here's the strategy to not get the white fuzzy things. Or the car example where he drives too fast. Not in the moment, but when you're chilling watching TV, you say, you are my provider and you make me feel so safe. And it would be so sexy and you make me feel so safe if you'd leave 2 seconds behind the car in front of you. Like, it would just make me feel so safe to be in the car with you. Boom. And now you've critiqued him and made him, a safer driver. Or you got him better at cleaning the mirror. And you still got him to feel like the big, strong man. All right, number 3. So this piggybacks our 1 and 2. So first we made him feel needed. Then we made him accepted in what he was provided. And then number 3 is we give our guy some admiration. Remember, his biggest thing is to make you feel happy, and he knows you're happy when you tell him. So you say, you did a great job. I'm so happy with you. So I want to give you one of the best compliments you can give a man. So if you're ever wondering, like, how do I make him feel happy? How do I say something that's really going to excite him? The best compliment you can give him is saying, assuming it's true, I love my life with you. So he feels like he's enough, and he feels like he's providing a great time together. I'm curious, go in the comments with this. What's the best compliment that you've ever given a man? Put it in quotes. I'd love to hear from you. I think that'd be pretty neat. So thank you for sharing in advance. And I love all of you. And I'm going to give you a free gift. I want to give you how to get a guy in 60 days. I spent a lot of time creating this. It's a 30-minute video, totally free. So Sam, link that up so they can click and get it, and we'll put it down in the description and as the top comment. So go click, go get that. And Easy Dating Family, thank you. If you're new, subscribe if you'd like to watch more videos. And if you'd like to watch more videos right now, go click. And we'll see you next time.